cap. 4.9 was the best 60, you feel me? It's 5'7" on mama. Hey, fuck, you got the Instagram?
Yeah.
Fuck with me on IG.
Alright, we're doing.
Whips with Wavy.
We too wavy.
Whips with Wavy. Yeah. Alright, man, so it is the next day. And if you follow me on Instagram at Whips with Wavy, you already know we done had a couple things, man, come in for Serena, you know what I'm saying? Mainly the last episode was mainly about them straps, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of family time, and we got to, you know what I'm saying, clean up Serena a little bit. And y'all see, it wasn't no full cleanup or nothing, you know what I'm saying? Just a quick little wipe down, you know what I'm saying? Nothing serious. But today, what we gonna be doing, man, y'all know that I've been working on little by little, just trying to get stuff on the inside of the car done. So today, what I wanna work on is actually going back to something that we already kind of did, you feel me? But it's kind of a revamp, you feel me? So we can go inside. The interior looks so good, man. But as you can see, when I put this new one in, the SRT bottom, I lost my sport button, you feel me? And that was something that I knew I was gonna end up doing. I wanted to kind of switch the location of it anyways, cause if you like me and you had a Zautomotize, you can switch these auxiliary buttons out. So a lot of these come with the no plastic option, you feel me? But we about to switch that. So y'all know what to do, man. Like, comment, share, and y'all stay right there, cause we got another banger on the way with a little more that I didn't tell you about. So we had the Zautomotive electrical performance module. So basically, this is for anybody who wants to kind of just add some extra buttons, you know what I mean, onto the actual auxiliary layout that you already have. So let's say like you wanted to add like front camera, or you wanted to add line lock. So for me, what I wanted to do was I wanted to have line lock. So I swapped out the bottom half where the SRT set is, so that I could have line lock and the SRT pages all at once. Turn some lights on in here. Y'all can see it a little better. But so I got launch control, I got the SRT set, parking assist, and then traction control. But like I said, I don't have the sport button anymore. So now with this, I'll be able to add some extra options. Dang, don't look like they even sent me nothing. Man, it really is just straightforward, huh? Let's see. Look like it's just the buttons. No instructions or anything, huh? Well, y'all know, we'll figure it out. It's all good. Looks like you just swap these out with these. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get my trim tool. I'm just gonna pop them out, man. All right, so we got our pry tool, and you're just gonna, from what I've seen, man, just get up under these buttons. And it's gonna be a little more difficult for me because I'm trying to do this with my hand, so bear with me. Let's see. Try to find one of these grooves. And you just, ooh, there we go. Get him up off of there, man. So it looks like these grooves just kind of fit like right over the top. I'm gonna make sure I line it back up how it was, so I set the new ones up the same exact way. I think it was like this. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we know we want to match this layout, alright? So I'm gonna set that down in there just so I can kind of get a rough template. And like I said, I am doing this one-handed, so bear with me. It's a lot of little components. Y'all know I got big hands. Alright, so get these out of there. And I think it's just as simple as really just snapping them in, man. I really don't think it's too much you gotta do to it. So looks like this one will match up right in here. Let's see if we can. All right, man, so I got the first two in. I forgot to videotape it, but literally all you do, and this is, keep in mind, when you order the auxiliary buttons, you want to message them and let them know what model car you have, because that's going to determine what buttons you get. Since I got the 2018, these are the buttons mine came with, and literally there's nothing, no math to it, you feel me? You just make sure you put it in the right spot, put it over it, snap right in. And it feels just as good as the OEM. Feels real good, man. And I watched a review on it before I ordered mine, and the guy was saying that they felt janky, but mine feel good. I don't know if it's in particular set, but it matches up good, man. It looks just like how the original did. So that's perfect for me, man. Literally no difference. No difference at all. And then that's another thing too. We about to swap the steering wheel out. I've been waiting a long time to do it. I'm not gonna tell y'all which one I did, but as soon as it comes in, man, because I had to wait because it was on back order. But as soon as it comes in, it's over. But let's go ahead and fire it up. Anytime you're mapping your auxiliary buttons, you want to go ahead and make sure you put the car in run. You don't have to turn the car on, but you want to put it in run. Go ahead and close this door so y'all don't have to hear that. And like I said, y'all know about the airbag sign. That comes on just because I still got to get the pigtails for the seat connected. But you want to go to your audio page. So let's go ahead and get to the audio page. What? The fuel economy is horrible right now. 13. It's a little bad of an angle, but it's the best I could do for right now. Sorry, y'all. So what you want to do is you want to put your left hand on the left arrow, and then you want to click on your new auxiliary. So let me show you this. So like I said, these are my new buttons. My finger is on this left arrow, and then I'm gonna be selecting which auxiliary I want to switch. So like I said, left hand on arrow, get your hand on the auxiliary, and then you click through. And you see how it's showing the different functions? That's me mapping out what this auxiliary button will do. So you see rear camera, front camera, auxiliary video, line lock, boom. So that's the one that I want, and that's what I'm gonna do for my left finger. For the middle, or I'm sorry, the left module auxiliary. For my middle one, and you see you can do the light shows as well. I don't wanna do any of the light shows. But see, line lock again, ESP kill, launch mode. I already had that button, so I'm not worried about that. Sport drive. That's what I want for that middle one. And now we go to the far right. And let's see, I think I'm gonna make this the cool down. Or actually, I may, yeah, I'm gonna switch it. So, you know what? I'm gonna do sport, and then I'm gonna do track. Cause I don't really need to worry about the other ones, man. So what we got is line lock, sport, and then track. So we gonna and then another thing you want to do before you get to messing with it, you want to make sure you give it a reboot, just so the system can relearn everything. So you're gonna hit the left arrow, cancel, slide through, keep hitting the cancel button. Full reboot. You see, this can take a couple seconds, so let it do what it needs to do. You see it's kind of freaking out, letting you know it's going through its little reboot cycle, so it's counting down still. But man, I gotta say, man, I know I done said it a few times, but I really do love how this interior looks, man. It's just real unique to me, you know? And it's not really a whole bunch of red in here right now. So it's like this little bit of red, it just makes it real cool. All right, cool. So I went ahead and did our reboot. And yeah, y'all seen it, man. I got the big demon logo, man. I won't lie, that's the one up badge I got. The one up badge. You feel me? But y'all can't blame me for that one. That's the splash guard. That's the only thing I see. Only I see that. You know what I'm saying? But nah, man. So we got the reboot going. So let's see if we can. And like I said, since I put this in here, I can just click the SRT button and it take me right to my pages, man. So let's see. Yep. So you see it's in street. So I click on this. That should take me to track. Yes, sir. Yep. Full track. And there goes sport. Cool. Perfect, man. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. And I can jump through them now. That's pretty cool. I like that. And like I say, we got line lock now. Car might have to be on to activate the line lock, but this was the one that I was worried about. I just wanted to be able to hit that and jump back and forth between sport. And you see it goes to sport over there, and it changes up here, track. So we got what we needed, man. That was one of the big things that I was worried about. Well, not really worried about, just one of the things that I wanted to switch, because a lot of people know, and I think it's this in particular U-Connect that I have, that because it didn't come with the car, or because my in particular model is a base model and I tried to put this on here, it wouldn't let me just hit the buttons to jump through. If y'all know, you know what I mean, I might be wrong on that, let me know. And I know this is an older year U-Connect, and I'm wanting to get the 2021 one, but until then, man, we just gonna sit and wait on it. But we got eco on there too, man. It's pretty slick. All right, man. So now that we got the buttons in, you already know what time it is, man. We gotta take it out for a little cruise real quick and see what it's talking about. I'm gonna give you that good cold start, you feel me? So it is the next day. It got late on us, so I didn't really get to show y'all everything the buttons to do, man. But we got everything queued up. We out here in the city, man. We gonna see what these buttons do, man. I won't lie, I'm excited. I haven't hold on. Anyways, man, like I was saying, so right now we driving around with the window up. We in sport right now, but I won't lie, man, it's a huge difference. I did it a couple times off camera, and track is ridiculous. Oh shit, no way. Look at what? How the fuck? Damn. How you do that? Oh man. Bad luck. Nah, man. So like I said, you can see a little difference, or a huge difference, honestly, because I haven't got to really mess with like the difference between sport and track since I had the V6. So in the V6, you noticed it was a big deal because it kind of made the exhaust louder, you know what I mean? But for the V8, beyond making your exhaust all the way open up, it holds your gears a lot longer, man. So the power is just totally different. It's just totally different. Like, and I won't lie, I thought I had it the way I had it set up before. It was already activating track, but it wasn't. Cause like now, since I got the auxiliaries, you can see it change up on the cluster too. So when it changes up on that cluster, that's how you know the car is fully engaged now. Cause like you can even see it even in the engine torque. Like it'll show you how much more power I'm putting down as soon as I activate track versus what I'm doing for sport. And it's crazy, man. Like I won't lie, I'm really shook. I'm super glad I did this though, man. So I'm gonna give y'all a couple little pools, man, down here in the city so y'all can hear a little something. Y'all can see it, man. Best 0 to 60, 4.9 right there. And keep in mind, man, I ain't done no performance mods to this, and on top of that, we running truck tires on the back, man. So as soon as we start hopping into these performance mods, man, y'all know, like what my man 32 gang say, it's only up from here. All right, man, so we back at the house, you know what I'm saying, in the cut. Got Serena all parked up and everything. And y'all seen it, man, them 0 to 60s is crucial, but we ain't done no performance yet. I don't know what the guy before me did, so I still gotta get it up on the lift and check everything out, man, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna see what the numbers look like. But one of the things that I wanted to address, man, there's been a lot of people who are talking about like how people who put the wide body kit on their car are badging and stuff like that. Now, I just wanted to say something. So, one, I know a lot of people who got more money in their V6s or whatever than people who have into their Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Like, and don't get me wrong, everybody deals with stuff on different levels, you feel me? But at the end of the day, it's not up badging. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I slapped a Hellcat badge on there, that's up badging. But when you're just doing different modifications that actually help the performance of the car, you can't really argue that. Like the flares don't necessarily add performance, but like the hood. So I put the hood on and people were talking about that, right? Me putting that hood on there is not saying it's a red eye. Me putting that hood on there is just saying that I wanted that hood because it gives better airflow for the intake. It's already set up for it. Y'all seen in the video, it fits flushly, you feel me? So at the end of the day, man, a lot of people don't know what you go through to even get the stuff you got. And at the end of the day, me doing what I did with my V6 is how we got where we are right now. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I told y'all, it got me in front of the eyes of the head of design for Dodge and Ram. You know what I'm saying? So if he can appreciate a V6 with a wide body on it, why can't anybody else? That's literally the head of design for Dodge. So at the end of the day, and I know a lot of y'all are seeing it now too, the 2021 wide bodies, they come with the Scat Pack hood. A lot of people were making fun of that at first. Now that's a factory option, you feel me? So before you get to hating and, you know what I'm saying, getting your panties all in a bunch, just think, man, you know what I'm saying? And if somebody up there up badging, you know what I'm saying, let them have it. You know what I mean? Like, let them have it by all means, because I'm going to be right there with you. But at the end of the day, when people are doing what I'm doing and you're going badgeless and just going for the mods, you know what I'm saying, you can't hate on that, man. So one of the other things I want to address too, we got the winner of the giveaway, man. And I was kind of shocked. I thought there was going to be a lot more people who entered. It really wasn't a whole bunch. So I don't know if y'all thought I was perping or not, but we going to have the winner. I'm going to put his name right here. Boom. Man, he should have his money, you feel me? Shout out to you, man. I appreciate you and your support. And however long you've been here or however long you're going to stay, I appreciate it, man. But we got bangers on the way, and y'all know what to do, man. Y'all like, comment, share, and y'all stay right there because y'all know what's coming. Bangers.